This is Ford Transit 2020. You can see DPF block, basically the previous DPF damage, then we replaced the DPF. However, we couldn't reset this engine management light. We tried to relearn the value, follow the instruction for the install new DPF. However, launch and hotel we use, but we couldn't do the job. We are not success. Today I got another latest version, the snap-on. We'll see how it will work. You can see this is the faulty code it has at the moment. Clear faulty codes, yes. Clear, complete, continue. But however, you can see still message for the exhaust filter overload, right? Yeah, no codes, but still the problem there. Now you can see the process completed. It need a security gateway, but however in here it say it's failed. So when I switch off and start, have a look what happened. Yeah, it came back. So next step, no any other option, we'll try to force regen and have a look what's going on. Normally I don't want to do that way, but however this scenario could be online support or could be regen process. First of all, I'll try regen process and we'll see. Right, at the moment force regen process happen. You can see engine speed 2400, temperature 1295, sensor 2 575, DPF maximum soot load 39%, DPF percentage of maximum soot loading 20, vehicle speed 0. Yeah, I'm waiting for the until it's finished. Right, halfway the process, it's stopped, error came. Okay, that's way also not success. Then I feeling need to go with the online. Yeah, however I'll come back to you Monday. However, after the regen process, vehicle cut off, then after that I am not allowed to start the car nearly 10-15 minutes. Don't panic. Then after that I went to the, even the computer not talk with the system. Then after that I went to the code. Now no any faulty codes, but after that I went to the faulty code. Then I saw first 3 faulty codes for the DPF. Then after that I'll delete it. Then after that it's deleted. Then car now starting. If you have like this problem, you know, need to go step by step. I'm also panicking little bit for a moment, but however because of the experience everything get okay, and after that finally get point to the job. Yeah, if you have a like this problem, you know what to do now. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please contact me. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Plan A, plan B, plan C, or sometime tummy ache, sometime cancer. See you in the next video.